Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is 8-Bit Diva. Just bringing you another quick tutorial video. This time it's based around Windows Screen Recorder. There are more complicated ways to record your screen. I'm aware of that, and I'm sure people might want to put that in the comments when I've made some shorts in the past for YouTube and for TikTok. But this is just a basic way to screen record. So for those that just want to record a screen really quickly or have never done it before and want ideas. Now, I use this quite a lot, not just for tutorials, not just for recording my screen. I have software to record my screen. I use OBS, etc. But when I'm just wanting to do a short video, say for instance, my dad who's older, I need to show him something really quickly, how to Google something or how to do something on Windows. I can do this, save the video, put it into WhatsApp or something, and he's got literally there and then a little recording of what to do or what I'm doing or what I want to show him. Does that make sense? You get what I mean. Anyway, you're here for a reason. Windows Screen Recorder. Basically, what you're going to do is decide what you want to record first on the screen. Then you're going to hit the PRT SCN or the print screen button on your keyboard, usually near to the numerical pad on there. So you're going to press that, just press it once. What's going to happen is the snippet tool, as they like to call it. I don't like calling it the snippet tool. I like to call it the screenshot tool. Anyway, whatever. When I hover over the snippet tool, you'll see that it's got the camera icon. If I press that once, it'll switch to the recording icon. If you hover over it, you can see what it is. Now, I'm not going to go into the rest of it here because it's that's for another tutorial. This is just a quick one for the screen recorder. So what I'm going to do is now select what I want it to record on the screen. So on the right, I've got a Word document, so I'm working on something. I don't want to record that. It's confidential, whatever. I just want to record the Google bit, and I don't want to record the top bit here, so I just want to record the bit that I'm searching for. So I'm trying to show, say, my dad how to search for BBC News or the lottery results. In fact, the lottery results is probably a better one. So I'm dragging down with the left mouse button. I'm keeping that mouse button pressed in until I've got where I want it to go, and then I'm going to let go. Okay? Then I'm going to hit start. That's going to start the recording. Now, if you want the microphone on, do be aware that you need to click this button here. You can see it's got a line through at the moment because I don't want it to record the microphone. Or if you want the system audio, you can make sure that it's switched on or off here as well. So just be aware of that before you do start recording and thinking that you're recording your own voice as well, because you won't be if it's got the line through it. So let's start. I'm going to start that recording. It's going to do a little countdown here, which is really useful, especially if you're recording your voice. My dad wants to know how to search for the lottery results, so I'm going to put in lottery results UK, and then I can show him, say for instance, the proper site to go to. You're going to get all these funny results up here, but I'm going to say, look, you need to go to this result, click on that, and you've got the results up there straight away. And then if I want to show him something else, I can do whilst I'm on here, but that's all I want to send him, a short video of how to find the lottery results. So now I'm going to click on stop recording. And as soon as I do that, the snipping tool in Windows comes up on the screen and you can see the recording here. So if I press play, and you know what it's going to do anyway, this is the video that I'm going to be sending or saving or doing what I need to do with. You can even create a GIF, a GIF, whatever you want to call it, up there as well. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I don't need to record it again. You know, if I've got my voice, I can check it's actually recorded on there, and I can go to save as well if I want to on there. Now, another way to get to this tool as well is that you can press the Windows key, Shift and S. That's also going to bring up the snippet tool as well. Again, be aware you need to be on the little camera icon there. If you're on the other one, that's for a different video, which I'll put in this as well. You can go and have a look at for the screenshots. But for recording quickly and easily and sharing with other people, I think that's really handy tool and just a really way to go about sending something to someone. So I hope you find that useful. Let me know in the comments down below, as usual, aka YouTube videos. But if you've enjoyed watching, consider subscribing as well.